When we talk about motivation, we're diving deep into our brain's chemistry. Dopamine is that little neurotransmitter that releases when we accomplish tasks, big or small. But here's the kicker. In today's fast-paced world, our brain is wired to seek instant rewards, constantly chasing that dopamine hit. This is especially true for those of us with ADHD, where activation can feel like climbing a mountain. So, how do we flip the script on motivation? Start by breaking tasks into mini goals. Celebrate those small wins because each time you do, you trigger more dopamine, reinforcing the behavior. Over time, you'll not only build motivation, but also reshape your emotional responses to completing tasks, reducing that overwhelming pressure that often leads to burnout. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Before you scroll, tell me what's one small win you're proud of today. Drop it in the comments. And if this helped you, share it with a friend who might need the reminder. Make sure to like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.